Hello guys, welcome to another devlog. So I just want to show you a quick recap of what I'm currently doing on my game. I created this nice title here for you, so you can check it out. This is really, I just want to name the game like this. Cool Cat Escape the Haunted Rooms. So I have a start game, quit game here, and let me show you what's going on. Then I will go to the game by quickly clicking the start game button in here, and I will show you what I'm up to right now. So let's click play. This is it, guys. I have this nice camera pullback as the game starts. Okay. I have these particles flying around. And we have this thing swinging around nicely. And now the loop music comes in, okay? That was the intro, and now we have the loop music. So this music will loop infinitely if this title screen is on all the time. Of course, I probably will have more options in here, like maybe like how to play or the sound effects, music settings, and everything. But right now I have start game and quit game. So this is basically, this is like a looped. You can control the dude here, of course. He's just standing there under the nice lamp. Okay, so let me show you what's happening. I say start game, and we are in the haunted house once again. So what I did here is I added a backpack to him. If you see, check it out. Okay, all right. I found this backpack online, which was cool, and I also added the flashlight on the. You see the backpack. If you can check, his right arm, you will see a nice white circles, the flashlight. So I made it like the game in The Last of Us. So we still have the camera control here, and the player is still following the enemy if this was the enemy. So if we were to shoot, we would shoot it, okay? Also, if you realize, I hide the cursor in here, so you don't see any mouse cursor. So, okay, what's happening now? Okay, now the radio sound is a little bit off. I mean, not off, but how can I say, the lower, And as you get closer, it goes up, okay? All right. I did this trick so you can actually, let's say if the radio is upstairs or downstairs, you can still hear. Let me show you what I'm saying. So if I jump, okay? Also, one more thing, I actually made the flashlight auto, okay? And so I want to make it auto. So because I want to make the gameplay as simple as possible. So if you come in here, you see, because it's a darker place, now the flashlight turns on. I did this, just put a basic trigger collider in the room. So when the player gets in the room, the flashlight turns on. And if we get out, it turns off. Very, very basic setting. So in the game, we have the walk around, the game controls. We have the pickup, okay? We have the jump. You can jump with the right mouse button, okay? You can go up in here. You see, I have the key thing here. And if I put this here, so also one more thing. If I'm carrying the radio, okay, the things are getting complicated a bit. So if I come back to the curtain, I cannot interact with it, okay? Because I am carrying an object. So if I come back here and leave this, and if I press now, I can interact, okay? Yo. Okay, some nice strings in here, there. All right. And so I didn't set it up yet, but I will actually pick up the key here and use it actually upstairs. You see the room has that gold key emblem on there, okay? So this is how the thing is going on. Oh, couldn't get it. Okay. Oh, here we are. And you see we have the bed and everything. I might add some more decoration in here, maybe a wardrobe or a carpet. And the real-time reflections are working okay. You see? Okay. So this is it, guys. This is a very, very simple reflection globe setting. I do it like every frame. No time slicing and that kind of thing, okay? And of course the resolution is like 2048, something like that, okay? So this is it, guys. This is where the game is going. Okay, guys, so as you see, the game is getting like a little bit more complicated, even though it looks like very, very small things. These things takes time, to set up. Okay, so I really hope you liked the devlog and my game progress. And I really want to finish this first level actually as soon as I can. So let's see what will happen in the future in my game. Okay, so this is going to be my first level of my game in a haunted house. Maybe it might be in the dungeons in the future or that kind of thing. And like I said, I'm doing this game pure no code. I'm using a Playmaker plugin, and I'm gonna add the Playmaker link in the description below. Okay, if you want to check it out, if you want to purchase, I would appreciate if you purchase through the link I shared, which is an affiliate link, which will also help me. Okay, and I also would appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. Okay, and see you in the next video. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye and happy gaming.